I finally got to figure out that I can use a tripod. So anyway, all right, we're on our bottle.
Second bottle here. So somehow I think I recorded too much on YouTube, so I guess they want me to upload. So anyway, whatever. So yeah, we're doing this. So I'm in a hurry to get this done. It's been too long. So yeah.
Other than that, finished one bottle, and I'm working on the other one. So just be careful. You don't want to pull a Josh, because when I squeezed, I didn't have it. You know, it waited to the last minute to drip out, but furthermore, all of it got in there. So, or just about. So when I put this, when I go halfway with this, I'm gonna put the additive and I'm gonna put the rest of the oil in there. So give me
a second. We'll get it done.
Yeah, it's kind of hard, but because of the spare tire, if the spare tire wasn't here, it would actually be easy. Oh damn, that was quick. Jeez whiz. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and add the additive in there. Let's just put all of it. What the hell, man? Go big or go home, right? It ain't gonna do nothing to it. It's just gonna protect it even more. So, all right, we used up the whole bottle. I'm gonna put the rest of this in here. So, yep, you hear the cars. Living life dangerously. LOL, that's not the way to live, but you know what I'm saying. I'm being a jokester. So, anyway, hopefully I'm not covering it up because I can't see whether or not I'm covering it up or not, but it's just the part here. Make sure you got it tightened. I'm just pouring this up. Those little homemade bongs, with the little cup, and you put a tube in there. That could probably work too. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to, all you gotta do is just get a tube long enough and big enough to fit in this hole, and just pour it from a funnel and let it go. Maybe that'll work. Maybe I need to try that, man. I'm always looking for ways to, do things, new ways to do things. I'm doing it. It's not because it's full. I'm doing it because I'm trying to get the rest of this crud in there.
So it's almost there.
It's almost at the factory level. So it's almost at that level. Here, I like to do my test because you can see, but you can't see. I want to make sure I got enough in there to no, it's not yet. Almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. So I believe it's 2.5 quarts of gear oil. So you see the gear. There's like a gear tooth of the gear in there, and that's the oil. So a little bit up to more to that, and you should be good.
That's the hardest part here, is actually putting the oil in and making sure you get all the oil into the thing.
So we're gonna use the other one, and we'll use the remnants of the other bottle into this. I use my trusty side cutters. There we go.
Okay, so just cutting that there like this. There you go. Smoothing it.
This is not because it's running overflow, but it's overflowing. It's because I got using this and, you know, trying to get the rest of this in there. So my glasses make it hard to see. We getting there. We getting there. We getting there. Yep, now it's running slower. So that's telling me that I got enough in there. That's good. See how it's just overflowing like that? That's telling me that I'm good, that I'm Gucci, as you guys would say in these days and age. Yep, there it is. Yep, bingo. It's actually about two and a half. I was just say about 2.5. So yeah, that's it. Once you put the plug in, button it up, you should be done. You see the oil, you see that tooth right there? See? Bam, money. There you go. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry. Just giving you guys an update, which I had that voice for that dude from Unsolved Mystery, Robert. I forgot his last name, but anyway, yeah. So I just want to let you guys on an update about this. There's no leak on the seal near the rubber plug. There's no leak whatsoever, and there's no leak here. All there's no leak there. All this is all remnants of today's journey, but there's no leak anywhere. It's not leaking, thank God. So we're good there, and there's no puddles on the ground near the location of the spot. See, it's not leaking from the bottom either. So we're all good, buddy. All right, you guys take care, stay safe, and catch you guys again on the flip side.